I'm Dr. Suvarchalaa, Scientific Director with ZIVA Fertility Centers. This July, we are conducting a free fertility camp at our ZIVA Fertility Centers, Manikonda, Banjara Hills, Sanat Nagar and Kompally. Please do visit. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchalaa, Scientific Director with ZIVA Fertility Centers. Let's look at some foods that you should avoid which could cause a decrease in sperm count. You have a lot of information about sperms that are good for the health. You have a lot of information about foods that are very good for the health of sperm. But let's look at what you should be avoiding. We'll look at 5 foods to avoid that may decrease sperm health and male fertility. But before I discuss foods that can affect sperm health, it's worthy to note that most studies dealing with nutrition aren't set up to show that eating particular food causes disease, and most studies are only created to show associations, not the causes. So let's look at these foods now. Processed meat. It's not surprising that recent studies link processed meat to all sorts of illnesses. Processed meats include hot dogs, salami, ready-made bacon, etc. They are delicious. Bacon especially can make anything taste better. But in the case of sperm, several studies connecting eating processed red meat with decreased sperm counts have come out, and altered sperm motility has also been observed in these studies. It's not clear how these foods affect sperm, but it appears the effect isn't a positive one. We have to note that these same studies did not find an association between eating chicken and reduced sperm health, so maybe that's good for health. Then there are trans fats that you should avoid. Researchers are primarily concerned about trans fats increasing the risk of definitely heart disease, but unfortunately the concerns don't stop there. 2011 Spanish study linked the increased intake of trans fat with decreased sperm motility. There are a lot of studies which correlate this. And what comes under trans fat? There are cakes, there are donuts, there are all these products which are available which fall under the category of trans fats. Soy products contain phytoestrogen. They are estrogen-like compounds that come from plants. A study of 99 men from fertility clinics in Boston concluded that excessive soy intake might also decrease sperm concentration because of increased estrogen in the body of men. Pesticides and bisphenol A also are constantly being supplied to us in our food. Honestly, these are probably the scariest on the list because these are not foods, but they still end up in what we eat. Plus, they are everywhere. Obviously, pesticides end up on vegetables and fruits. They also end up on meats and fish due to tainted water supplies. BPA, especially bisphenol A, is no better. It is in most food packaging and cans. It slowly gets into our foods we eat. Both these chemicals within pesticides act as xenoestrogens. These are chemicals that mimic estrogen. Just like the phytoestrogens in soy, xenoestrogens can also cause damage to the sperm concentration. Some of the chemicals in pesticides can also come from non-stick cookware also. High-fat dairy products can also affect sperm concentration. There is a Rochester young men's study, an analysis of sperm and diet which was done in 189 men between the ages of 18 to 22, and it showed that high-fat dairy products like whole milk, cream, cheese were associated with decreased sperm motility and abnormal sperm shape. Some of this could be due to the steroids which are given to cows. So these are food products that you should avoid consciously. Make sure that you have healthy diet to maintain a proper sperm concentration. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.